would you recommend this microphone or you pass? Just a quick unboxing video of my new DJI Mic Mini. It's a wireless microphone that comes with a receiver, 2 transmitter, a charging case, a carrying pouch, 2 clip magnets, a mobile phone adapter, 4 windscreen, camera audio cable, and a Type-C USB charging cable. Now let's unbox this baby together. It also comes with an instruction manual. Justin, I'm filming with my Canon M50 camera, but I'm going to be connecting the receiver to my phone. And voila, it's connected. Now let's try out this baby. So you guys, we're going to be trying out my new DJI Mic Mini, and this is what my environment sounds like the next time you're going to be hearing my voice. I'm going to have this baby connected to my phone, so stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So this is me just trying out my new DJI Mic Mini. So what does it sound like? I honestly don't know what I sound like, but your guess is good as mine, right? So yeah, thank you so much for unboxing my DJI Mic Mini with me. Would you recommend this microphone or you pass? Thanks for watching.